Consuming video is easy. Producing good video is not. Putting together a script, getting all the footage, and editing everything to perfection or as close as possible can eat up enormous chunks of your time. As it does for everything right now, AI has a few solutions to slash the time it takes to go from idea to video. I went in search of the best free AI tools for creating videos, and as it turns out, there are already a ton of amazing options. From smart video editing software to generative text to video apps, there are tools that will help you do whatever you want. Be that running your own YouTube channel, creating more engaging content for social media, or repurposing content to keep all your business's online channels fresh. Before I proceed any further, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos. After a week of testing, here are my picks for the best free AI video generators that would help you make money without doing any effort. Number 10. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI video generation tool that is most commonly used for text-to-video content generation from long-form blogs and news articles. Companies with limited digital marketing prowess frequently select this tool because it is easy to use, offering users a drag-and-drop editing tool, maker templates and tools, and the ability to generate videos from blogs and RSS feeds automatically. Users have the option to upload multiple brand kits with certain plans, create multiple workspaces, and upload custom colors, fonts, and watermarks. The free community plan is also a generous option, giving individuals the bandwidth to create up to 5 videos per month at no cost. While the platform may not be the best for a larger creative team that wants to make videos collaboratively, it is a strong contender for individuals and solopreneurs who are managing content for multiple brands. Number 9. Wave Video. It is an impressive online video maker that is packed with some amazing tools and features. Wave.video is a tool that enables you to create videos for all purposes. You can edit your video from scratch or choose from over 1,000 video templates. These templates will provide you with a starting point for your editing process. Another standout feature of this powerful tool is its extensive library of 10 million plus stock media assets. You can use this vast collection for your video project to make it look even better. Moreover, you can select the perfect clips from the library to complement your content. These stock media assets will help you to make your videos more informative and engaging. Furthermore, this tool allows you to add GIFs, stickers, and animated graphics. These add-ons can make your videos even more creative and interactive. These elements add an extra layer of interest and enable you to express your imagination. This feature also adds a touch of humor and entertainment to your content. Number 8. Pictory.ai. Pictory is an AI video generation platform that is well suited for content marketing and social media video projects. It is a particularly effective solution for creating micro-content or shorter clips and highlight reels from existing long-form content. The platform is designed to automatically generate these shorter snippets, making it possible for users to get more content, engagement, and reach from a single project. While digital creators and marketers are the most frequent users of this tool, it can also be used by learning teams, coaches, and other users who need an accessible video format. Its auto-generated summaries are especially helpful to teams that want to offer more digestible ways to consume video content. Number 7. InVideo. InVideo does not fool around when it comes to creating videos through text. Enter a title and write a script before hitting publish. If you copy the entire video script into the text box, it will offer to arrange and break the content for different frames. Apart from letting you add your voiceover, it has text-to-speech for adding narration. You can view the entire video as frame by frame in the storyboard. And when something feels off, head straight to the full-fledged editor. From there, You can add music from the library, consisting of over 20,000 tracks, divided into different genres, moods, and occasion dogs. When you are creating a video with a team, let them have a look at the video and provide valuable feedback. They can also edit the video with admin privileges. Number 6. Hour One. Hour One has consistently received praise for both its ease of use and its compatibility with global video project needs. AI videos can be made in more than 100 languages, with 200 voices that are set up to include realistic accents, pauses, and pronunciations. Hour One not only offers more language options than most of its competitors, but also has earned favorable reviews for the believability and natural sound multilingual tools. Hour One offers several other unique differentiators. These include the option to use 3D project templates, as well as access to a family of AI wizard tools, which rely on ChatGPT to help users create more intelligent and scalable videos, scripts, and translations. Number 5. Vizsla. Vizsla is a high-powered AI video tool that delivers many useful features to its users in affordable pricing packages. Compared to most competitors in this space, Vizsla offers one of the best value-free plans. This plan includes 50 video minutes per month, 10 GB of storage, 3 hours of monthly transcription time, and unlimited recordings and uploads. When it comes to Vizsla, users are most impressed with its range of video editing and recording tools. For video editing, users can benefit from tools that help them remove filler words and extraneous audio content, adjust and merge video clips, and add voiceovers and background music. Its recording features are equally far-reaching, with features that enable users to record their screens in Zoom meetings, use their phone as a webcam for multi-camera recording, create content via teleprompter, and more. Number 4. Fleeky. In a nascent AI tool category in which most AI video generators receive negative comments about their audio and vocal quality, user reviews consistently comment on how realistic and well-timed the audio is in Fleeky videos. Fleeky offers a particularly strong collection of voice features to its users, including AI voiceovers, voice cloning, and a built-in translator, which have all received high praise. And while Fleeky's free plan isn't quite as generous as Vizsla's, it still offers 5 minutes of free video per month and access to tools for text-to-video content generation, multilingual voices, several dialect options, and a large library of images, video clips, and music clips that users can take advantage of. If you're looking for a capable tool that prioritizes audio quality at a reasonable price, this is one of your best options. Number 3. Steve.ai. Summon the artificial intelligence with Steve.ai and let it tell your story with a carefully curated video. It is a rather underrated AI video generator from the text. Log in and head straight to the dashboard. The first time loading of the editor takes its sweet times at times. You can either create a standard video or go with an animation with different characters. Some of the templates can be considered as next-generation PowerPoint presentations. Here, the storyboard is divided by each scene, which denotes a frame. The free version has a big watermark at the bottom, which is an eyesore for most. To the premium. Number 2. Veed.io. When it comes to AI video creation, Veed.io does not fall far behind. It is known for its online video editing capability, offering a powerful online editor. You can also create videos from scratch with templates tailored for different occasions. You can transcribe audio and convert it into subtitles for adding to the video as a caption. This comes in handy for posting on Instagram and other places where text on screen comes in handy for generating videos. Publish and post them directly to your social media accounts with a single click. Number 1. Designs.ai. Using complicated tools is the primary reason why people don't forward with video creation. Designs.ai is the most simple text-to-video creator available. Give your video a title and then start writing the script, up to 15 characters, which will be narrated. You can select a narration voice with options of male and female in different accents. A few good ones are locked for premium users. We have 20 different net language to choose from. It takes anywhere between 10 to 50 seconds for the video to be created and available for playing. In conclusion, the world of free text to video apps presents an array of opportunities for content creators and entrepreneurs alike to streamline their video production process and maximize their earning potential. These innovative AI-powered tools offer a seamless way to convert text into engaging videos, all without breaking the bank. From Lumen 5 to Wave.video and beyond, there's no shortage of options to explore. So why not leverage the power of these free text-to-video apps to create compelling content and generate income? Whether you're running a YouTube channel, managing social media accounts, or looking to repurpose content for your business, these apps have got you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your video creation process and monetize your content like never before. Subscribe to my channel for more insights and strategies on how to make money with free text to video apps and start your journey to success today.